Ormoc City Mayor Richard Gomez has tested positive for COVID-19. The actor-turned-politico announced it on July 17. Days before testing positive, Gomez attended the social pension distribution in a mall in Ormoc. He also led the Dole Tupad payout event at the City Hall's multipurpose hall. There were also a number of courtesy calls in his office. Despite being fully vaccinated, Gomez caught the virus. According to the mayor, he initially experienced mild symptoms, promising to return to work as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.